amigo. One more time, what's your name?
Amigo.
Amigo. Now, amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? He's the boss, I have to wait for him. Okay, amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people?
How are you?
How are you? So how are you feeling this morning? Good? Good to hear that. Now, amigo also is a very nice and friendly bird who like to wish all our Chinese guests. Amigo, how would you like to wish them this new year?
发财。
恭喜发财. Okay, now amigo is also a very smart bird. Amigo, can you count 1 to 10 in English?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect 10. Very good. Now amigo, can you count 1 to 10 in Chinese?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Now amigo is also quite a singer. He knows how to sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. Now the first song is going to be a local Mandarin song that's entitled Keralai. It simply means when a guest comes to visit. Now amigo, can you please sing the song in Mandarin? Very good singing that. Now the second song is going to be a Malay song. They're originated from Indonesia. Yes. Now thank you very much for celebrating a birthday.